What is up, YouTube? It's me, Giselle, here, back with another video. Just make sure my mic's on. So I'm going to show you guys how to make this. Well, basically this on PicsArt. So this is something I'm going to be using for this video. Save as dropped. So what you want to do, you're going to just get any background you want. Make sure it's like, you can also like do on Fonto, like, let me show you guys what I mean. See, I got this template. If you guys, this is what I used and stuff. But I'm just gonna go on PicsArt. So you're gonna add a sticker. So, well, first things off, I added these clouds that I have. I'm gonna add them and I'm just gonna put them at the side. Like this. Then I'm gonna add another one, and I'm gonna put it down here where my avatar will be. Like right here. Then you're going to go to stickers, Packs, and I use this. So then I use that one, I put it on top of my cloud, and then I press shadow 75, and put that, the blur is, I put that to like 45, opacity is gonna be 70, apply. Then for text, I'm gonna put something random. Okay. So then you're just gonna put like anywhere, and I used another hand. So then the stroke can be anything. I'm going to change the color and go like that. And do that. I put like 100. Then the color of the text gonna be white. So now I'm gonna apply that. You can also put a shadow if you want. I'm gonna stick a PicsArt. I use this one, I guess. Then I'm just gonna add that like right here. Then I'm gonna add iPhone 11, and I picked this one because it didn't have any lines. Oh, this one did. This one, it didn't have the home button. It didn't have like microphone, but whatever. Just put it right there, and then press next. You're gonna import that. You're gonna save that down to the thing, and then you're going, and yeah, basically that's how you do it. Then you're just gonna import that into YouTube Studios, and that's it. So I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. Make sure you guys like, comment, subscribe.